You know, I don't say nothing wrong with it, you always say. And she up on the internet a class the girl and her pitney. The girl and her pitney know what she do. She know what she do. Nothing at all of the head you use. You use say you're sick. You use say you're mad. Lisa Hyper use say she mad. So she create this problem, people say she mad. Lisa Hyper use say she mad, so when she create these problems, people say, oh, she mad. Not no blood clot do her. She know exactly what she do. Free promote her song. Them what she do. Not no do her. Not no do that. Not no do that. Nothing. Not at all do her. Nothing. One thing me can tell you say, jealousy cause she make sure behave so nothing at all do her. Because I know so nothing at all do her. You are gonna make me know say, oh girl over trailer away from me. And I smell the rat. What kind of rat me I smell? And the girl will say away from me so fuck you. Them never know so Lisa Hyper sodomite. Me I look for me dangalang. Them never know so that girl was shock will say her baby. She did up her yard one night time, any girl pass through the girl house there, I forget blood clot fuck. Any girl pass through that the girl house, I forget blood clot fuck. The girl name she call. You see what she say about me? Yeah. What she say, I'm a baby, a girl. All long time. How would you Lisa Sniper? Sperms that run for your mouth, you need a blood clot jubiler. How would you junk crow? You don't want them for your dog shit. You don't want them for your blood clot train like mattress. You don't want them for your dirty girl. Cause nothing no blood clot them like use people and go like you're nice is a snake. He's a blood clot snake. Well, how that? How that? My baby father get paid. Blood clot. My baby father got paid. Thanks, baby daddy. Come here. You want my blood clot money. What I want, I do with my bed. Yeah, my money, you know. I want my money for do with my bed. 100,000 can do with my blood clot. They gonna walk a old girl and girl and live nowhere. A survival mode, me in a year own my blood clot money. Lisa swipe and want come in argument about people are blown for. Anybody here to talk about blood clot up there in their mind? Che. Some people are up there in their mind and they walk the up here. I don't say dope in a real and supernatural real, but up there in a blood clot real. Oh, them other men and send 10 dopey palm me, which 10 dopey a ride you, a dopey a cocky dopey a ride you. Cause no man no want to kind of throat flag out. Cocky dopey a ride you, cause no man no want you because your throat flag out. You don't have no throat back. Throat back away you don't have. You don't have no throat back. The amount of mileage you pick up in your whole hole. Eh? You's a big artist, I don't have carry on a man now stay with no what do you so nobody no look bad. I saw no salt. Cock it up your demons the pound man. True word. Lisa I choke back not up. Like when you ever say when you're not up it's hard for tangle, so Lisa I choke back them not up with sperms. Eh? And you want to come off and everybody walk and fucking you want dirty blood. Go get some morals to yourself and standards. You not pay my dog shit, keep the money. We don't want it anymore. But I got liberty up your blood clot because you call me off of my beggings. You say yes so, right so. You say yes so, me appreciate yes so. And when them say, she don't live now in her house, dirt at me appreciate yes so. Yes, so me appreciate my work, blood clot. Me appreciate yes, so my work. Any big pussy girl will call me for my blood clot work. And then when you're done to the degree, any time I pay me girl, I'm going to tear you up on the internet. Because I could have come so come slung and beg if I even want $200 and get go buy my food. I could have slung myself for the whole of Friday. I take the whole of Friday. I myself a rub off all. You know what? I put my money dirty dark bed. But up in the part your people, boy, people traumatized, you know. Go look your size. There's a lot young and sleek. What am I doing there? You're bore out. It's a bores. You ever hear all that? You ever hear all that? Your boss cocky ship, your win, your cancel. All the, Mr. Let's swallow Lisa hyper appear gap. I don't know if I went since you want them to take up drums and turn now. Breed what? Breed what? Breed what? Dexter up sick in my head. Dexter up look like a madman for breed what? Breed what? Them the old back there. I do she our body make you look like she's smaddy, you know? Back in the days, they look a bit and cranny and more big and ugly. I do she do our body now look like smaddy. Them the old back there. You ever see old back yet? Old concubine. All dead. I resurrect. But yes, and Vibes Cartel, Vibe, the boss needs to take my career, so they have blood clot career. Why you never focus? Like how Spice did focus. The boss can't got Cartel can't do 13 years of prison and left come from prison, come pick up your blood clot mess like I'm gonna sweep it up. Him have pitney and grand pitney for look about and baby mother and woman. Him spend 13 years behind bar and can left from behind bar come pick up your what you do with him then about behind bars. Walk at convince people so your blood clot mad. You never focus. You never say all Spice focus. If you the focus like Spice, dirty Lisa, I be the beside her, I even in front. You not focus. You not focus, you know. You never focus. You just long right beside her Spice, or probably in front of her. You want a man spend 13 years behind by come left up and clean up your blood clot mess. So I'm telling you them and them grand pitney them. And them dance start to Ariana. I'm pitney them mess him for go clean up. And him life and him health. Thinking y'all. Nobody business with you. Not more than 2 cards to come back for prison. You can't get no more comfy swallow, you ain't worries. So you can't get enough comfy go swallow. You ain't worries, dark bed. I want my blood clot money all that, girl. I want my money so good. I want my money. Licky back and swallow, I want my blood clot money. Dog shit. Come never tell you, I want a blood clot work. I don't know, go call me and use me because I see my house dirty. I'm on bed and the things them. And me a pin worse, me a pin if I got blood clot school all tomorrow morning. And I want to curriculum and extra blood clot lesson. And me have sports day, me have all type of blood clot there. For deal with. It's the worst, me have Shanshan and Barbara, at least I remember dark up the whole internet, you know.